Everybody is talking about the metaverse, but just a few people are talking about safe and real possibilities to get profits from it. In this video, we're going to show you what big investors are doing to get in the metaverse early and make fortunes from it. We'll show you how much money you're losing by not putting these strategies into practice. So let's get started with 3 ways to invest in the metaverse. First way, buying metaverse cryptos. Just as it already works today, you're able to buy tokens of promising projects and expect they appreciate in value over time. For example, nowadays we buy ETH because we believe in the Ethereum network potential. Same thing with Sol and the Solana network, DOT when it comes to polkadot, and so on. The same principle applies for the metaverse. Each project will create its own metaverse, being decentralized virtual realities. Yes, there will be several types of metaverse, not just one, because the metaverse is a technological concept, not an alternative place in the universe as in the Marvel movies or an exclusive Mark Zuckerberg creation. So the Meta company, the old Facebook, will have its own metaverse, just as Decentraland and Sandbox already have theirs. The good news is you can buy the native tokens from these ecosystems. For examples of promising tokens, which we have talked a lot about in our recent videos, are Mana, Sand, Atlas, Alu, and many more. If you want to know more about each one of them and what would be the best options for your portfolio, check out the previous videos on this channel. Now let's talk about the second way to make money in the metaverse. Second way, buying NFTs. Now more than ever, the NFTs will be a more demanding market. Just in the first quarter of 2021, people spent over $1.3 billion in NFTs, and nothing suggests that this is going to stop. This is very good news, especially because in the metaverse, almost everything is an NFT. The avatar that will represent you there is an NFT, the house you own, the clothes you wear, and the space you use. It's not a surprise that there are some investors buying lands in different metaverse ecosystems. They're doing it now in Decentraland, the Sandbox, and Network, for example. They're just expecting a mass adoption of this technology, and when a huge number of people try to get their goods and stuff there, these lands will be worth millions. So hotels, restaurants, workspaces, even art galleries will be common in the metaverse. And I don't need to mention that these landowners will be the next class of millionaires. But maybe this land could be too expensive for you to buy, so there are other alternatives like buying game items. It would be something like buying the Axies in the Axie Infinity game, or pets in my DeFi pet game. For example, in racing games, you could try to buy the cars. In sports or RPG games, you could try to buy valuable player cards, especially the ones that increase the character's abilities or rares. The idea is to buy these items now when their prices are still low to profit from possible future sales. Look, this is a very risky strategy, right? Because not all of these items could appreciate in value over time. However, the higher the risk, the higher the reward. Therefore, you should assess whether this is a risk you can handle. And of course, you need to understand how much potential a game has to be worth your investment. Before we talk about the third option to profit from the metaverse, remember to subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications if you're enjoying this video. We post videos daily with high quality content about the crypto market, NFTs, DeFi, and much more, all focusing on giving you the best information to really make money. Just like the links we've put in the description, check them out there. Moving on. The third way, buying stocks. Yes, this channel is about the cryptocurrency market, but is also about you. Our goal here is to make you earn money, find financial independence, and build wealth. Maybe retire much earlier than you've ever thought possible too. That's why we're talking about stock as well. The traditional market should be in our radar as much as the cryptocurrency market. Diversifying our portfolio involves different kinds of assets. That's why we can mitigate risks and earn more from different options. So the metaverse stocks is a new class of assets that you could consider to invest in. There are shares in publicly traded companies that are involved in the development of the metaverse. Facebook, or now Meta, is a good example of a company whose stock you can buy if you're looking to invest in the metaverse, given that it's at the forefront of building it. Mark Zuckerberg has even said that he doesn't want the company to be known as a social media company. Instead, he wants to be known as a metaverse company. The social media giant already has an Oculus VR headset and just recently launched its first smart glasses in partnership with Ray-Ban to build on its augmented reality. However, if Facebook isn't what you'd want to invest in, there are other companies that plan to play a role in and the growth of the metaverse, such as Microsoft, Unity Software, Roblox, Amazon, Walt Disney, and Nvidia. A bonus: investing in metaverse exchange-traded funds. Yes, we have a bonus tip on how to invest in the metaverse, especially because it's something which is happening with cryptocurrencies as well. An exchange-traded fund, also known as ETF, is a basket of securities that trades on an exchange, just like a stock. But how does it work? Investors could gain exposure to the growing metaverse industry by buying a metaverse ETF. A metaverse stock ETF lets people invest in the companies that are already making the metaverse happen, or are in a good position to do so in the future by buying into the fund. The Roundhill Ball Metaverse ETF, for example, was created to allow anyone to invest in and reap the benefits of the metaverse. When you invest in an ETF, you invest in a group of companies that are working in a new market niche or technology. It means you can invest in Nvidia, Microsoft, Roblox, Tencent, Unity, and Amazon simultaneously, at the same time, and all together. So that's the difference between buying a stock and buying into an exchange-traded fund, although both are purchased or sold on a stock exchange. An ETF can be structured to track anything from the price of an individual commodity to a large and diverse collection of securities. ETFs can even be structured to track specific investment strategies. It was a simplified explanation, of course, but it all means more opportunities to make money with the metaverse without necessarily exposing yourself to greater risks than buying assets directly from the ecosystems or the NFTs. Therefore, this is another alternative to consider investing in. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any new video or news about the cryptocurrency market. Also, if you're looking for the best conditions to buy, trade, and earn passive income with cryptocurrencies, we left exclusive gifts and bonuses for you in the description down below. Just check them out there. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.